Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Kodi Hunter RJ. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the Narcacist wizard repository on Kodi in just a few easy steps. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. First, you need to download the addon. You'll find the link in the comments section below. Click on it and save the zip file to an easy-to-find location on your device. Now, open up Kodi. Once it's loaded, navigate to the add-on section from the main menu. Look for the open box icon at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it to open the package installer. Next, select Install from zip file. If this is the first time you're installing an addon, Kodi may show you a security warning about unknown sources. This is completely normal. You can decide whether to allow add-ons from unknown sources in Kodi settings. Keep in mind that enabling this option means you won't receive automatic updates for third-party add-ons. Now, navigate to the location where you downloaded the addon. Click on the zip file to install it. Give it a moment to install. Once done, you'll see a notification confirming the addon has been installed successfully. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Narcacist wizard repository on Kodi. Now you can explore all the features it has to offer. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more Kodi tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.